Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the offers in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the offers button. So here you can check offers for partnership, exclusives and extras. So just click on the one that you're interested in. And here are all the partnerships and the benefits that you can have with this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.